Busy agad sa kusina si Inday. Oh, ito yung pang dinner namin. Barbecue! Pork barbecue at saka yan, chicken liver. And we have our coffee. Inumin na natin to habang na-distract natin ang ating India. Na-mix na nini mo, miss?
Ha? Mix wala ka. Kasi matangan ng mga used oil.
Used oil?
Kani?
Oo, nga gamiton pa balik.
Ah.
Yeah.
Ito ito.
Yeah, pwede. Hot coffee yung akin sa kanila. Iced coffee. Silang dalawa. Meron ako dyang actually, yung sa Vietnamese coffee. Yeah, meron pa akong coffee dyan na Vietnamese.
Ano ito mong yatag? Mix na pa sila. Oh, what a dance with somebody.
So, yan yung pan-dinner. Tapos yung breakfast namin ay tocino, itlog, hotdog, tsaka magsisin. Sabihin ko sana sinigang, sinangag. Magsinangag si Inday. Ayan. Rich in iron. Di ba, miss? Rich in iron ang liver?
Yeah, iron.
Yeah.
Cochisin.
Ginkgo biloba.
And uric.
Yung kaidan steak at saka sausages. Binilan namin siya. Magbabarbecue tayo tonight guys dun sa labas. Pero mag-Harbor Town muna tayo. Punta lang tayo dun para maglakad-lakad at karga ng bata. Hindi tayo makaka-shopping dito. Ano tayo? Yeah, sige.
Sukad casino when you're ready. Banana?
Nood-nood lang ako dito ha.
Yeah. Because Sharon said, Raz needs a break.
Raz need to break daw.
But we can take our break from India.
Wala. Ayun na, nakatingin na naman sa akin yung aking India.
Ano na yun?
Binigay ko sa kanya lahat ng toys. Andun na siya sa likod. Laro sila ni Dodong. Nilabas ko lahat. So yung mga toys na hindi namin inopen pa, wala na, naka-open na lahat guys. Yung walker niya, hindi pa ginagamit. Maglalakad na lang yan. Ay, walker push. Yeah, parang walker push. Maglalakad na lang yan. Wala na. POV. Ay, sarap oh. Nandun na oh, nakahain na. Yan. Yeah, sakto kayo mag-video na kung dishwasher. Nagluto din si Inday ng egg fried rice. Ang bango! Very garlicky. Nandito na. Papunta na naman. Nandito na sa ilalim ang aking Inday. Agoy! Good luck talaga mamaya, no? Good luck talaga mamaya, no? Do you want some rice? You wanna sit next to Mama? Yeah, hello! Alright, sit down. Nagkako na saan? Ay ka, lami Inday, kahumot. Wait, babe. It's hot, babe. Gawa sinipon Inday. Mainit. Saday? What? Di man makahintay. Ay,
Kalayo sa ninyo din.
sus, may pangikaon ako ganina. Bitaw mo, lagi.
Dara sa kain din. Nanapog ka ha?
my rice. Yummy. Is that yummy fried rice? You got your egg, you got your carbs.
Bada! Guys, magka.
Yeah, yes.
Pas-pas yung gunitan.
Lagi na. Gut na.
Masuk ko ba lang?
Yummy. Yummy. Manit pa ba? Nindot kay kung dagang kay garlic na. Ready na ba?
Kinalitsyo ba? Kapoy, ang panit mo kay kapong garlic.
Lagi? Usa to siya
Gamitin
ka.
na lang garlic flakes na lang.
Usa to siya ka bag. Kuan, $9. Nga, okay na kayo. Lugay na kayo glass na to. Mas dako ato. Yeah, kita bitaw ko. Ga, and then I'll give you orange after this. So mommy can eat. Is that a good idea? Or not a good idea? Is that a good idea? Mama!
Egg fried rice, hot dog, and croissant.
Is it yummy? Say mama. Say mama. You said it before, mama.
Mama.
Say mama. Say it!
Ow!
Say mommy. Say mommy. Say mommy. Sige na, I have food. Say mommy. Say mama. Sus, bilang sa niyo, babe. I'll give you orange in a minute. Just wait. Clap, clap. Yum, yum.
Luya, diyo ako pa.
Yan, nagiging akong light day.
Bugno na ba?
Pas-pas na yung isang mo dog. Sumamit ko ito.
Yung chicken.
Wala ulo.
Ay, siyan. Lagyan na kayo siyan.
Ito mo ulit si Dan during the day, eh?
Saan day? Kung wala siya appointment nga taas, maulit siya niya. Aray siya mag-work.
Ito mo ulit ito.
Eh, marka na siya. Dili goro eh, late na nila ko. Siya yung mga tawag ganina, pero yeah. Appointment siguro dugay. I'll give you orange, baby. Yeah, that's right, okay? So mama can eat. Is that a good idea? You have to wear this. Very messy. Very mess. I know.
Kailangan mo ko, mami.
Right here. What do you say? Talk. 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 You're welcome. Sus, ayun na. Di ba akong taong breakfast?
Brunch naman.
Yeah. Brunch.
Kausara kang kain sa kanlote.
Isa daw eh. Patay na tayo. Duha ka daw.
That's the one with the Mickey Mouse. Can I wear the one with the Mickey Mouse?
Babe, if you wear heels, you have a hard time walking.
No, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of walking.
I don't want.
And then we're gonna go to the playground. How can you play?
That's what it's like.
You can wear boots. The colorful boots, the one that lights up.
No, the black boots.
Are you sure? The rainbow boots will look really good with your outfit today.
But they're dirty.
That's okay, I'll wipe it. Go put socks on.
And you wipe it really good.
I will. Siya nagpili niyan, oh. Sus, hindi ka talaga mawawala sa Harbour Town.
Nanny got me these.
Yeah.
What? And Mom, this skirt is size 3.
Is it?
Yeah, look. Look. Look.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. That's okay.
Yeah. But
Still fits.
it's good because I'm stretching it.
Yeah, and you're wearing shorts? You're wearing mini shorts? Okay. Yep, that's good. Good job.
Mom,
Me
me and Ola both have port power, but India has port power socks.
Yeah.
So,
She has port power, everything. See? She wants to see too. She's like, oh, port power!
port power today. And then,
I'll get Kuya's shorts. And magja-jacket lang yun si Kuya. Magja-jumper. How about you, Indy? What are you gonna wear? D! That's not for D!
Mommy.
Huh? Papunta na kami, guys, sa Harbour Town. All good?
No, good. I need to do the other one.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not going yet. Hello? You're buckled in?
No.
You ready?
Yes. I need
Yes?
some more.
Alright, alis na kami, guys. It's gonna be, I don't know, 40-minute drive. It's 11:21, so tara na. Sus, tingnan niyo yung itsura ko, guys. Nagplansya-plansya pa ako ng buhok kanina. Tapos inulan kami pagdating namin sa parking lot. As in, sobrang buhos ang lakas ng ulan. Dito kami sa Calvin Klein. Dito yung una namin pinasukan. Tapos meron ako mga itatry. Tingnan nyo naman, nandito lahat. Alright, behave ha. Can you behave please? Mommy wanna try something. Is that okay? I'll give you something. Nandito yung dalawa, kumakain ng Skittles. Meron ako itatry. Let's see. Nakaano sila eh. Further 40% off sa mga full price. This one's nice. May black din ito. Pero mas maganda sana kung meron siyang partner na track pants. Pero wala. So wait sa muna. And then just basic tees. Itatry ko sila. Iba-ibang size yung kinuha ko. Mga crop. Pero hindi kasi to crop sa akin. So we'll try. This one's nice. Ayla, what do you think about this?
Really good. Oh,
Really good?
Mommy.
Just the basic white. No. Kasha din to oh. So yung extra small. Ito naman extra small. This is extra small. So maybe I'll go for...
I like really too. Yes, I'm walking out.
Ito naman.
I want the red one.
Parang simpulan lang siya na white.
Now you get some more.
Maganda din to. Tapos track pants lang no. Ganda na airport outfit. Tapos na kami sa Calvin Klein. Punta tayo Cotton On, guys. Ayan. Yung habol ko dito, damit ng mga kids. So, sana mayroon tayong makita. Ay, sana matulog kabi. Matulog kabi. Hindi siya natulog, guys, sa drive papunta dito. Ang haba kaya nun. Break muna, guys. Break. Hirap mag-shopping kasama ng mga to. Kakapasok pa lang namin ng Cotton On. Mommy, we've been here for hours. Mommy, you're always shopping for clothes. Kasi sinaping ko lahat para sa kanila.
Galing niya ako sa bayaran ng makeup. Go out now.
So, ang ginawa ni Michelle, nilabas niya, guys, kasi nauna si Michelle sa counter. Nilabas niya. Ito na. Oh, tingnan mo. Oh. May popcorn na.
Saan kami chocolate strawberries?
Oh, yeah? Bigaan sila. Tapos, ang saya-saya na niya. Kasi nasa labas na siya. Wala na siya sa loob ng shop. Ang cute. Tulog si Indy. Gusto ko sana mag-shopping pa na mag-shopping. Para kung may makita. Kaya nga, matry on ba? Ito naman, sabi ko nga eh. Pag ito natulog, itong dalawang to naman yung may nakita akong magandang polo para kay Papa. Polo t-shirt ba? May collar. Nice. Nice ito. Tapos, Didi ay.
Cute ang tubig na.
Kasi na lang, $30. Tapos take further 25% sa Tommy. Nakita ko kanina, yeah. Kinuha ko na sana. Tapos tinawagan man ako nito ni Michelle. Sabi ni Ayla, Mommy, when are you coming? I need milk tea.
Wow.
So iniwan ko na lang muna yun. That's alright. At nagising na nga siya mga kaibigan. Bili siya. Yay!
Hindi still po.
Tapos ayaw ako magstay sa parang sa Mudla. Still going Arlo. Dito kami sa toilet. Sa family room.
Ito nung nagkapamilya, ni try og soda.
Tatlong adults na nandun nakapag-pina. Si Arlo still going. Wait! It's locked.
Hello?
Allo, can you do it?
Key. Kanang key.
How did it lock, Ayla? What happened? Ay, yan day. Ay, nako, nalock pa talaga si Dudong.
Bail na bata talaga. Uy.
You got it?
Nagla.
Si Inday.
No, baka lock sa sud. Tapos,
Dito yung tuloy mo ni mo.
Nalock niya.
check natin yung Lorna Jane. Katabi lang nito ng yung milk tea. Habang hinihintay namin yung aming milk tea order. Gusto ko yung mga tracksuit set. Kaya lang mahahaba. Oh, wala tong pitit. Yan natin. Because it's hot.
It's a sunny day. Look at him. He has the same one as you.
Saya niyo.
On his hand.
Wala na, karga na kami guys.
Go to him. Say, look
Hintay
at
namin
my
yung milk
leg.
tea namin. Pero sabi ni ate, hintay ng 5 minutes kasi lulutuin pa yung mga perlas.
Ano yung inani mo ni?
Is this mommy?
Walang salay ka ng...
I like the
Ah, sa amo ani, brown sugar.
Ano yung inani ang sulanan?
That's alright.
Ah, tayo nakita niya awa. Same cast.
Oh, where? Where?
Look, which one?
Go to him.
Look.
Ah, you got the same one. Go to him.
Which
See,
one
look at my leg.
Hello. You got the same one.
That's fine.
That's not
That's fine.
Wait.
yours.
Yeah.
It tastes so yummy.
Here, Hala, here's yours.
It tastes so yummy.
It stays so yummy. Yes.
Of course.
Babe,
Yeah, I'm gonna help.
rubbish.
You okay?
Keep your rubbish.
Kanyang buwang nga karon.
Alo, go to him and show your cast. Merong batang broken arm. Hindi naman sa bata, malaking bata na to.
Tell him. I have the same one as...
Oh no, my purse lahat. Purse. My pearls yung sa'yo din. At saka yung sa'yo.
Coconut jelly.
Ay,
Ano lang,
hindi.
sa kate, oh.
Ano man?
Hindi pwede. Sorry babe, you can't have that. It's got pearls.
Huwag kang magkumpiyansa. Matiko ka.
Tapos si Arlo ayaw noon ng milk tea ngayon. Nakikimilk tea na din guys. Uy, sakit.
That's yours.
Pearl, brown man. Ah,
You other way.
Kapoy dyan.
Sorry babe. I got you milk. You want your milky? You want your milk?
Oh, dili din ni less ice.
Ito yung gustong-gusto ng milk tea. Oh. You like it? Sus! Is it good, Alo? Hala!
Kaya di ko siya ganang sa bowls daw, te.
Don't get... No, he likes the bowls
You
now.
like the bowls?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, hold on to it.
I got
Di pang luwa, dili sa bowls.
You try the ball. You,
I have bowls. I have mine.
you finish all the balls.
You finish all the bowls.
Hindi ko
No,
ganang.
mine.
Mommy will finish all the balls. Mommy likes balls.
All the balls. Can you hear me? I'm cold now.
There's too many bowls, Alo. Mommy can't deal. Finish all the
Then
bowls.
probably I put I
Too many.
Like that one. Like
What do you want me to do?
that. Like that one.
What do you want me to do with the bowls?
Na 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 na. That one.
Ubusin ko na yung bowl.
Na 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 na. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. That's one more left.
One more left daw.
Teka, ni-sure ko, di ka kuha sa hindi ano yung
One
kuha.
more
Alam
left
mo.
now. I'm tiny. Mine's the baby.
Kamu na sip ano no?
Stop doing it. Stop, 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 stop.
I-stop mo siya if makakita.
Stop.
Wala man yung
Stop. Stop.
Gaki, ano na?
Are you
Sama na ni.
all the ones, Mommy? Stop.
Lo titi.
Basa to.
Now I finish it. Now I finish it.
Pasado.
You're cold. I am too.
No, 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 no.
Papunta na tayo doon sa mga sportswear. What happened, Alo? Too much stuff. Puno na. Nag-shopping man. Nag-shopping man.
Pamilya Kia Carnival.
Kailangan natin ng van. Ay, pauwi na kami guys. Ilang oras na kami dito.
Mura dyan akong advice, Kia Carnival.
Hey, got you to rich.
Alright guys, let's go home. Anong oras na? Magba-barbecue pa tayo.
Para siyang advice, Kia Carnival.
Alright, wait. Let's...
Thank you, Alu.
Max.
And Bua.
Ayan na, nag-connect na siya.
Nana?
You can have it, Ala. I got two now.
And Bua.
Kanina, it was acting up, hindi nagko-connect sa car.
Chi, murag ikaw, wala ka ng seatbelt.
Oh my gosh, 47 minutes.
Last one.
Okay ka na, miss?
Yes.
Alright, ready for the turbo?
Yeah.
D. Is D ready?
Tungkol sa traffic.
Traffic. Yeah, my gosh. End of day na. Pauwi na yung mga tao. School holidays, guys, but it's busy.
Ready?
I am ready, thank you, boy.
And the arrow's ready.
Alo's ready too. Are you locked and loaded?
Yes.
Good.
Our eye is ready.
Isla's ready. She's
Yes.
doing her bubbles.
And mommy's ready.
Yes.
And Tito is ready.
Yes,
thank you.
And Indy's ready. Yes.
Everyone ready.
Yay!
Sus, kada ko yung mga tingog. Indy, are you ready?
Yes.
Kapalito na kita itong Adidas ni Arlo. Monday po.
Gamay.
Di, sakto. Ang katong na may kuha nito te. 4 to 5.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, ang shorts.
lagi. Yeah.
Di man maibot kay ilang mang gikuyog sa tag.
Yeah, grabe kasi sila makatag. Uy, pero murag feeling ko, meron talaga tayong naiwan na tag kasi beat tayo ng beat.
Di, feel mo kuha na ka ng mga...
Ano? Paper tag?
Kanang nanay ka lang sa suod sa mga jacket. Tinga ka ng mga anak.
Ah,
Mga barcode na ko. Mabit.
yeah. Nag-beat kami guys sa Adidas. Chinek talaga ni ate yung bag ko. So, inisip ko, baka
Pagsuot
may,
pa nato.
baka may nalagay yung mga bata ba? Lalo na pag may pram. Baka may nalagay itong mga batang bail na to.
Murag sa Calvin Klein ba ito? Tika, itong tongs niyo.
Asan?
Ito yung mga panty dito.
Ah,
Hindi, ang lihan na gamay.
Oh, yeah, sige.
Asas! Nanapod.
Pa-open sa sis.
Makahelp sa gamay.
Yeah, pag nasa likod.
I
ay,
did that one.
nakakalipong.
Thank you.
Mom.
Where?
Let's
Let's go home guys. Ay, baka si Dana sa bahay na yun. It's 5:17 and it's 43 minutes drive.
Ah, kita sa daan ng init is tubangan.
Ang init no!
Di ka ni. Paabrihan sa dani usa.
Hindi, ang Sunday. Ayan oh. Si Indy. Ako si Indy talaga naman. Natulog siya, tapos nagising. Tapos may time na sobrang ingay niya talaga.
Mommy, can we sing that song?
Niyanig niya ang Harbor Town. Niyanig niya talaga ni Indy ang pinakamaingay na bata sa buong mundo.
Mom, can we sing that song?
Sure. That's so true. Okay, that's so true. It is then.
Play That's So True
Oh,
on
connected.
Spotify. Yeah, connected.
That's So True Radio now playing on Spotify.
Guys, bahay na kami. 6:19 na ng gabi. And, meron tayong regalo. Ito, my letter. Ah. It's from Jane and Skylar. Skylar yung daughter niya. Yema Mangustin. Ay, salamat, Jane. It's from Jane and Skylar. Good morning, baby! Tulog lahat ng mga bata. So, si Indy, natulog siya. Mga 5 minutes na lang kami. Parating na kami, nakatulog siya. Si Arlo, he slept straight away after niya kumain ng popcorn. Si Ayla, siguro mga halfway. Nakatulog siya. And mahaba yun ha. 42 minutes yun. So, yan. Meron tayo yan. And then we have Dorian, Yema as well. Wala, Jane, you didn't have to do this. Maraming salamat. Oh, mga keychain. Day, taga Davao siya. Tapos, may, may inutusan na ibigay na taga dito. Tingnan mo yung keychain. Ang cute. May mga pangalan. So, this is for Arlo. Ayan. This is for Indy. Ito yung kay Indy. This is for you, baby, the durian. It's for Ate Ayla. Come here, malay. And then merong mangosteen tart. Ay, parang masarap tong mangosteen tart. Ano kailangan mo? Ako magsisa na yan? Creamy durian bar. Oh, thank you, Lord. Ang hirap na ito hanapin dito. Thank you. Maraming salamat. So, ito talaga yung isa stock ko papunta dito sa Australia, galing Pinas. Kasi mahirap na siya hanapin. Well, dun sa pinupuntahan ko, wala na siya masyado. Hala, turn it down, please. So, thank you, Jane and Skylar. Thank you, guys. Uy, hindi nyo kailangan mag-send talaga. Okay lang talaga ako. But salamat. Sobrang salamat. Tulungan natin si Michelle sa labas. Kasi, pagdating namin, nilipat ko yung mga bata. Si Arlo nilipat ko sa couch. Si Indy nilipat ko sa taas. Si Ayla nilipat ko dyan sa couch. And si Michelle diretso dito. Si Miss nakapagluto na to ng rice. May chanelas ako dyan. Wait sa... Ay, ang bango na agad! Ay, nigara si Inday. Ang bango-bango na agad. Si Dan nandito na eh. Guys, ang bango. Ang bango-bango na. Yung kay Dan, madali lang naman yun kasi beef. Pero sobrang bango na. Yeah. Wala man lang tayong kay Dan. Gulay. Yeah. Gulay. Yeah, like... Ha? Dili oy kuan. Asparagus baron or...
Perfect bodies in the shallow blue, drifting faster than we should. Golden hour paints a dreamlike view. Even dreams start fading too. I am leaving, tell me what to do. I can feel us slipping away, treading water. Yeah, what's the use? I just say playing these games. Love drifts soft in the light. Come on, meet me at the poolside. Late July, you're on my mind. We were never meant for this life. It's a wave and we're moving on. Summer's gone before you realize. Moonlight's melting in the water is cold.
Kalame. Thank you. Pork. Guys, ang sarap. Thank you, Inday. May leftover pa dun. Yum.
Days just fade and we let them go. Perfect bodies in the shallow blue. Didn't think you'd look for me. Would it kill you just to make a move? Nothing good comes for free. I am leaving, tell me what to do. I can feel us slipping away. Shape emotions ain't nothing new, but I still break just the same. Slow drifts soft in the
Matatanggal na yung cast niya bukas. Sa drawingan na nila.
I'm doing the drawing.
Okay.
I'm doing the police officer.
Police officer, okay.
And he's shooting the bag.
Shooting the bad guys.
Si Arlo, green yung pinili. Tignan mo naman yung pagka-draw. Kitang-kita yung green mo na ano dong. Dexter. What are you drawing, Ayla? I can see a beautiful flower.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful, ate. That looks
Wow,
nice.
it's so cute.
Oh, well done,
I'm doing
Ayla.
a police officer, and they can't draw it.
Okay, draw
You're
the
drawing a police officer?
Circle. Like that.
Si India pila-pila.
And the dog. And the dog knows how to draw.
No, this one be too small.
Now it's time to color it in.
I'm drawing. What do you think I'm drawing, Alo? No, the nose. That's my drawing. Don't touch my drawing.
Nasa yung batang makikupitin sa dali.
Pwede mo kaon?
Is that everyone?
Nigara. Panabi din na niya nga madaog na siya niya. Walay ayong braha.
Yan lang, Chi.
Hindi na ko manabi. Kay layo pa.
Yan lang, Chi. Yan lang.
Goro. Ay,
Yan lang,
dahan mas
Chi.
inday.
Look. Delicate this girl da. Nilamit na day. Lima oh.
Di mo sa nabrahin mo.
Lakalat malas. Over. Ay, may na lang.
Sama natin. Oy! Dapat di man ako tayo da.
Lolo, nigara.
Mga day niyo.
Mo, pag-asap mo ra ha.
Hindi na ako paabot, anak. Yes! Daon na ko.
Lolo sa niya play mo.
Na, my goodness. 40. 43. 40 na nga ng tao. Ang daming tao kahit gabi na. Simo.
Pretty. Where's the other one? I think there's
Are we having a midnight?
Isa daw.
There is a pink one.
Ay, Chi.
Ako, 40.
This one.
Oh, it's gone.
Try natin to, guys. Yema Mangustin. Bigay ni Jane and Skyla. Thank you. Hubog na ba? Nahubog naman. Thank you, guys.
Okay.
Yema.
11.
Mangustin?
Na may sarap. Actually, masarap din.
Uy,
Kasi yung mga pinagkakain namin, ano, yung nuts,
Dali mo.
ruffles, so something sweet. Muscat
Kani,
na
yours
kami.
go. Yours go kani. Kagyaw-yaw.
Kanina nag-beer kami.
Gara ka iba. Gara. Mga ano mo eh.
Ako na lang may erase, guys.
Sakbo ano eh.
I can do it. And I make
Way action, puro saba.
Eh, hindi ka buwang kabantay ka lang.
Pati kita matara.
Oh no!
Guys, yours na ako, guys, ha.
We got married.
Dagang kagyaw-yaw.
Ang bago mo eh.
A slightly